sitting here trying to forget about all those years, and I can't take the thought of him alone with you, alone with you, no. And it's been a year or so, and you moved on and left me cold. And I wish that I could let you know that I still